Hi guys, VST here, Velian from Velian's Tech. Today we're going to be installing custom watch faces for your Huawei Watch GT2e. This guide should be also applicable for the GT2, for the GT, the GT2 Pro, and also for the Honor watches. I'm going to be doing the whole process starting from installing the required software on the phone. I'm just then also going to start this watch for the first time together with you so that you can see the full process. And last but not least, I'm going to show you a place where you can download thousands of custom watch faces. I'm going to also show you what the common bugs are, if you fail, what the common root causes are, helping you to get nice watch faces on this very nice smartwatch from Huawei. Please note that this guide will not work if you have a Huawei or Honor smartphone. For that to be the case, you'll need to route them. So if you have root access, that's a different story. So please note that one, all right? And we're gonna go back now and start from the very first step. Two things are very important, guys. You need, of course, to have the watch, and you need to have a modified version of the Huawei Health. I'm going to put a link down below into the video description where you can download it, and we're going to be starting the process of the installation together with you. So right now, I'm just going to go to my file manager into the downloads. Here we have the Huawei Health mod. The version is 11.0.0.517. As you can see, it is not installed on my phone, so this is the first step. Install the modded version of the Huawei Health. Starting the installation. Do you want to install this application? Hit the install button. Just allow it some time for the application to be installed on your phone. When the application is installed, you need to hit the open button, and here you need to perform the login or the registration. Huawei Health, workout smart for better health. Press the next button here. Allow the permissions, internet, phone, location, press agree here. And right now, guys, you need to be logging inside. Now, if you don't have a Huawei ID, this is the time where you can create it. I have already one, so I'm going to use that one. I'm logging in, and now you need to put this puzzle together. Now you need to verify your identity. Okay, I will need to obtain a code. The code is going to be sent to you via an SMS message. Right now, I'm already logged into the Huawei Health. I have to agree with the common terms. I have to agree with the permissions that the application requires, which is camera, storage, location, and microphone. Hit the OK. Once you're presented with the menu, you need to allow the application to use your location, also to manage your phone calls, and if you want, you can link your WeChat account. Now, that's very important, guys. It will ask you to download a newer version. Hit later here, right? It's very important that you don't update this because we are using a modded version of the Huawei Health, okay? Every time you start it, it will perform this check. You need to make sure that it is not auto-updated, okay? Because then you're gonna lose this application. Now I'm going to put the phone aside and I'm going to get the watch in my hand. This is right now step number 2. And actually I'm opening this watch for the very first time because again, I just want to do the full process together with you. I'm extracting the watch from the box, all right? And actually starting it for the first time. Huawei logo is displayed right now. We just need to wait a bit. You can choose your language here, hit the English one if you're using English, and now you see pairing. And the watch is also prompting you to download the Huawei Health, but hey, we already have it. We are gonna leave the watch a bit here. I'm gonna use this as a stand. We're gonna take the phone back and we're gonna go to devices. Under devices, you see a section called add. Hit add here, smartwatches, choose smartwatches, okay? It will again check for updates, very important. You need to make sure that it will not update the version of the Huawei Health. This update here is okay because it downloads all the information of devices that can be added. Just allow it. Once the update is finished, you need to choose here the Huawei Watch GT2 series. So you can see we have the GT2, the 2e, the 2 Pro, and we have also all these Honor watches and they are also supported. Okay, very important. Hit here, Huawei Watch, press pair, and now you need to wait. The phone will search the watch and you need to be able to connect and pair the watch with the phone. So we need to wait a bit, okay? Searching for devices, allow it some time. Here we have the Huawei Watch GT2e, same here, it's the same code, so we just hit here, and right now the phone is trying to pair with the watch. It's a very important step. It might fail on the first time. Don't get yourself frustrated. If this happens, you can just close everything, you can restart the watch, and you can try the process again. Eventually it will work, so don't get yourself frustrated. In this point, this is very important, okay? And this guide is actually very simplified compared to the previous guide, where you needed to install a modded version of the Huawei Health application, a modded version of the Huawei mobile services, as well as Taichi. Right now that's not the case. So you see the first time here it failed. I'm gonna try again, okay? I'm trying to pair the watch again. Okay, it didn't really work that time. Let me just try to restart the process. I'm closing health, I'm opening it again, and I'm just doing this because, guys, you will experience the same issues. So go here to add, go to smartwatches, hit the Huawei Watch GT2 series, press the pair button. Okay, now choose the correct watch. You see, pairing successful. This is why I will not cut this step from the video, right? Because it's very important that you understand that this can happen. Now again, when you are here at that menu, okay, it will just let you know that there is a new version. Okay, this could be a new version of the software. Right now, I will not update anything, just hit later, okay? I will also remove the auto-download update packages over Wi-Fi, just in case, and you're gonna hit the continue. Now you need to enable notification access so that apparently Health can get information from your notifications and send them. So you need to go here, enable, okay, it actually shows you what you need to do. Notification access, you need to go find the Health app and allow notification access. So it's just a toggle here. Then you can go back from your Health application, okay? And right now you can choose what types of messages you want to get notification from your phone to your watch. So usually I'm going to choose the Messenger. Usually I'm going to choose also Telegram and Viber. So let's just go at the end here because I know that Viber is here at the end. Okay, Telegram as well. And now press done. All notifications that appear in the notification panel can be sent to your wearable device. We're totally fine with that one, okay? So let's press now OK. Allow Health to access your contacts, absolutely allow. Also to access your phone call logs, press allow. And now there are some instructions, what you need to do to ensure that the watch will properly measure your heart rate. Press OK here, okay? And you need to make sure that also you give access to your location to the program. Okay, now I think we should be good. And as you can see here, when I turn on the watch, we absolutely see here this watch face. Okay, now I'll not go into too many detailed steps about setting up the application because I just want to show you how easy it is to download and install custom watch faces with this latest method. So if we go here to the watch faces, guys, we can see that we're gonna have several sections. Allow it some time because the Health application should of course download and just see what type of watches you already have on your phone and what are available through the official Huawei market. It is still loading. Here we have the recommended one. You can see there are some new ones, some hot ones. A lot of this will actually cost you some money, or a lot of these can also be free. We don't care right now about those. If you hit here mine, the mine button, you can apparently see that these are actually all the watch faces I have installed on my watch. So if I just hold here the screen on the watch, okay, you can just see I can apparently go and change all these skins here. They're already pre-installed, okay? And apparently you can also use the application to set them up. So let's say I want to use that one. I just hit it. You need to probably update it to the latest version, so it's gonna get downloaded and then sent to your watch. I'm just showing you so that you know what to do. Installing, you see, okay, installation now begins. Okay, and now boom, we have already this watch face. Now guys, a very important questions. You all are watching this video because you want to find out how can we install multiple watch faces. Very easy, guys. For that second step, we're gonna need an app called Telegram. So please install the Telegram application and you're gonna need to go to a special channel. And I'm gonna leave the link down below to this Telegram channel into the video description. Okay, this is the name of the channel. It's called Esferas Huawei Watch GT Dials, 35,000 subscribers, guys. If you go inside, you're gonna see there are really thousands and thousands of watch faces. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna download some and I'm just gonna show you guys how you can install them. So let's start with that one. All right, save to downloads. Okay, let's choose some nice one. Okay, this one is nice, Puma. Let's save this as well. Okay. Oh, this one looks nice, Christmas spirit. So just let's save it. The way you operate in Telegram is very easy. When you see a custom watch face, usually the extension is going to be HWT. So you just hit the other three dots and you press save to downloads. Let's download a bit more. This one looks quite fancy. Save. Let's choose 2 more. Okay, let's just choose one random. Okay, that's probably, no, this one is nice. Again, save. The other thing, guys, very important, if you're looking for some specific dials, you need to press the 3 dots here and you have to press the search button, and let's just search for Casio right now. You see some very nice classic Casio's watch faces. Okay, so let me just save that one as well. Okay, everything here Casio related, you know, it's really amazing. This set, there are thousands and thousands of custom watch faces, guys. Okay, let's go over the Rolex one. Now something very important, guys. All these watch faces are currently downloaded into my download folder. And I want to show you guys how this works, because a lot of people just get upset here. When these watch faces are in the download folder, it could be the case that the health application cannot properly recognize them. My recommendation is for you to go inside your phone, select all the HWT that you have downloaded and move them to a special folder. So I just cut them. I'm going to my internal storage. I have created a special folder called HWT, and I'm just going to paste all my custom watches there. You see, this is really the best method, guys, else you could get an error that the watch face is not recognized. Now, when the watch is connected to your health application on the phone, you just need to click here on watch faces, okay? Then you need to wait a bit. Now again, it will again update all the official watch faces, but we don't care about that right now. You go to mine here, right? You see all the watch faces that are currently installed on your watch, but we also don't care about this right now. So we just go back. We need to press the 3 buttons here, upload watch faces, okay? Press here, yes. And you need to navigate to the folder you created. So in my case, I created a folder, again, remember, called HWT. So I just select this one, I press install. You see the progress bar here. Sometimes it might be the situation where this is not working, then make sure that you restart the watch and you also restart your phone, okay? And you see right now, when you do this, nothing really will happen, okay? But when you select here the watch, right? And then probably navigate to the very end, you see, boom, I have the custom watch face already here. So let me just try to add another one, okay? I'm just hitting here, upload watch faces, hitting yes, and let's go to add that one, install, okay? Don't get frustrated by this. Of course, it's custom watch faces, so they will not appear in the beginning here on the application, but I'll show you how this can be easily fixed. So I'm installing a new watch face so that you can see that this is fully working. You need to wait a bit. Some of the watch faces really are 2-3 megabytes, some are 200-300 kilobytes. It really depends on the graphics. Okay, now once this is installed, right, you can just see if I hold the finger right now on the watch face, I can go and I can see Ki65MX3. So this apparently has been installed. Now, if you get a message like this, install, you can just close it up, right? Don't get frustrated. Just remember, all the new watch faces are already here on the phone. Now, if you want to refresh here, go back, right? Now go once more again in watch faces, and I think now the health application is going to update information. So when you go here to mine, and you'll allow some time for the application to download latest information, you can see we have already 3 custom watch faces, but apparently you cannot see like a preview. Okay, let's try the Casio one. I hit here Casio, I put set as default. You see, boom, new custom watch face. I go back, I use that one, I set as default. Boom, new custom watch face. Let's install another one, guys. If you're trying to install a new watch face and you don't see the installation progress bar, guys, the best thing to do is just make sure that you force stop the application, hold your finger, go to app info, hit the force stop, or you might also want to restart your phone, restart the watch, then you're able to repeat the process. Don't forget that sometimes it might be the case that when you try to install a new watch face, you're not gonna get the installation progress bar there. Force stop or restart the application. Best thing to do again is restart the watch, restart your phone, and I can just go and add another one. Okay, upload watch faces. So let's just add that one here. Okay, very important. Every time you install a new watch face, you need to see the progress bar. When you go to mine, they will appear here. Now, don't freak out. Right now, this doesn't appear here, but I know that if I go out, if I go back again, and we go to mine, it should appear. So again, allow it for the information to be refreshed, and we can now set as default. Okay, boom, we have the Puma watch. All right, don't like that too much. I'm just gonna go again for the Casio design. I really hope, guys, that you will find this video to be useful for you. Find and download all these nice custom watch faces. If you have any troubles or you have any questions, hit me up into the comments down below. I really will try to help as much as I can. Again, this method really is the best one, is the latest one. It's very much simplified compared to the original method involving a modified HMS, a modified Taichi, and etc and plugins. Right now this really works almost out of the box. Again, I really hope that it will do the job for you, right? This is really a great device. You can really have unlimited possibilities with all these new custom watch faces. And guys, if you really find that video useful, you might want to consider subscribing for my channel. And if that's the case, guys, I'm gonna see you around and we're gonna catch up in my next video. So with that said, VST over and bye.